Just looking at a 2000 model limited edition Tommi Makinen EVO6.5. This is the original Tommi Makinen red. The rally art rims, Mackie front end, and it's a gorgeous car. Everything's upgraded on the Makinen. It's got a wider track, upgraded turbo, a lot more aluminium body panels, including roof, bonnet, guards, to make it lighter, faster. These were only made in 2000, whereas all the other Evo 6s are made in 99. Nice original Tommi Makinen in the right colour. 48,000 Ks this one's travelled. Very, very low case. Right, rally art decals. That's the badge there, the Mackie badge. Limited edition 6.5.